Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Women Gupshup. Today we will discuss some things which we should discuss definitely, and those are the things we should not feel sorry for and we should not apologize to anyone. So what are those things? So I wanted to discuss 5 points with you which I feel that we should never feel sorry for. So first is that for your success and for your promotions, you should never feel apologetic about the success you have achieved and the promotions you have got, because all of that which you have received, that is because of your hard work. And nobody should see when I talk to my friends, I have or other women in society, I have seen that we spend only 10% of what we earn on ourselves, and rest of it is all for the family and for other things. So that's our choice definitely, but I really want to raise this topic that we should not feel sorry for things which we for the things which we buy for ourselves, or the things which we like to do and we are spending money on that. It can be anything. Someone likes jewelry, someone likes to eat healthy and organic food, someone likes to do a lot shopping, a lot, so these things should be to each his own. We should not feel sorry for those things, that, oh, I have seen women, they'll be like, oh yeah, I spend too much on myself. No, it's not right, it's not right. So I want, sometimes what happens, we like something very much, but we in daily routine, I'm telling, some maybe some particular kind of vegetable or particular kind of any stuff, we like that, but we don't buy it. We feel, no, it's very expensive, no, I'll not buy that. I just want to ask, when see whether we are it's our hard earned money. So why we feel sorry for it? Why we feel guilty about it? It should not be the case. So we should never feel sorry for that. Second one is, we should not prioritize drama of other people in our life. I have seen many times what happens, somebody is facing something, some emotional stuff which is going through, which is someone is going through, and they'll call you and they'll say that this happened. The point is that we generally what we do, we try to listen and when we try to advise, and then what happens after a certain point of time, what happens that it becomes a habit. So we should definitely we should not prioritize this drama of other people in our lives, and we should spend our time wisely, so that, and we should not think that, okay, she or he will feel bad, oh, I didn't listen to them, she wasn't that problem. Yeah, problem, helping others in problem is a good thing, but we should never prioritize others drama in our life. It's very important, and be cautious. It takes a lot of energy from you and it gives nothing. So that is a second thing which I wanted to talk about. Third thing is that uh, asking for help. Actually, sometimes what we feel, oh, I have asked for help. When we ask for help, it shows our humility, our uh, uh, our nature of accepting things, and that we should not feel sorry about that we asked for help. It's pretty normal, and we should always express ourselves more and more, and we should always ask for help. It should not be like that, oh, you should not feel guilty that, okay, I've asked for help, and this was supposed to be done by me only. How could I ask for help? It's my job. It's not like that, because it sometimes it happens that we don't have that caliber, or we don't have that energy, or we don't have the time frame with us. So we should definitely ask for help, and we should not feel sorry about it. Next is we should not feel sorry about living life of our own dreams. I have seen, that we women have so many guilt. We have guilt, or we have mother guilt, we have wife guilt, we have so many guilts. That, oh, being a mother, we always feel, oh, I'm watching a movie. Oh my God, my son is there, and I'm watching a movie. It's okay, because if you are spending 6 days, I should say 7 days a week on your children, and if you take out 2 hours for yourself, it's perfectly okay. So start accepting this thing that it's perfectly okay, and try to prioritize your needs also. It's very important, because when you prioritize your needs, definitely you will be healthier, and you will be wiser, and you will be definitely more energetic to do all other stuff in the house. So definitely it's a very important topic. Next is that wanting to be happy. Sometimes people feel guilty about this thing, that people want to be happy, and they feel that okay, uh, uh, other people judge you, that oh, she wants to be happy, she doesn't care of all the other things, she just wants to be happy, she just want to fulfill her own dreams. So you should not feel sorry about those things, because it's your life. We all get only one chance to live, right? So this is our life, and we should spend it yeah, definitely we have responsibilities, we are answerable to our family, and our professional colleagues and everything. I understand that, but definitely we should not feel sorry if we try to live life according to our aspirations, our dreams, and we want to fulfill our dreams, and we want to take out some, we want to seize some hours for ourselves, maybe a day in a week, or maybe 2 days in a month, or whatever you feel like. So we should not feel sorry about those things, because I feel that women are subjected to these guilts, that guilt trips. We have proper guilt trips. Even I had, when I became a new mother, I was like, oh my god, I did everything which I liked, because I knew that if I don't do that, then I will not be able to focus on my child, because it's very important that you should prioritize yourself. It's very very important. So please take care of your health and your career, and don't feel sorry. If you like something, do it. And I will definitely recommend a book to you, the subtle art of not giving. I will share the link of a book of this book in description box. So you definitely give it a try, and just see what author is saying. If I'll get a chance, I'll cover this it in my video, and also its summary. And definitely these are the things we should not feel sorry for. And enjoy your life, take care of your health. And if you want to share something, please share in the comment section. And if we all are like a family, and if we get to know some things which helps us, so it's a very good thing. So please share that. And if you like my video, like it, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And I will definitely meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. Ciao.